Hello, my people, and welcome back to Football Mede podcast by the Republicans. And of course, as usual, we don't come with wonderful things, especially as we don't almost come to the end of the season, and of course, the end of the UEFA's Champions League. Already, we don't know who enter final first, and of course, definitely these people enter final will go find how, and then go take square up against each other. My name is Jovita Eke, and of course, I know Waka Alone. I did here with Emmanuel Atakata Aboy. They call him the most expensive. I call him Atakata Aboy, Emmanuel Ata. And of course, Onokala Onyebuchi, the big face himself, do you ever be licensed coach? And together, we go shook eye and of course, shook mouth, put for many yanni points where we can come on top of the podcast today. So if you are ready, make we go there. Now, welcome.
Thank you, Jovita. Thank you, Dazo.
Jovita, congratulations to Liverpool.
Thank you.
We are Liverpool.
Make sure to do show the rush. You should never
We are
do show, not the
Liverpool.
rush.
We don't walk alone.
No, they give us now hopes that's not going to go Premier League. You are nothing but a hypocrite. Don't be any shout.
All right, before the problem already
continue.
starts, because it be like say quarter one start, make we take a look at those who say don't already enter inside the Champions League final. Talking about Inter Milan and PSG.
Already, I tell you something. See, that stadium get history with people who never win them before. And when I tell you, when I read about the stadium, they don't play like 3 major finals. One of the first famous finals for Champions League where they played in 2012 against Bayern against Chelsea. And Chelsea win them because Chelsea never win Champions League before. So right now, don't get 2 teams where don't do finals who never win Champions League before. Paris Saint-Germain and how they call them? Inter don't win for a long time anyway. But now a very long time, Mourinho era. So I did believe say maybe for the fact say PSG don't put a lot into this game, and of course they don't come this far. You understand? So they go try to do everything with the coach where they get Luis Enrique, try to at least back the Champions League.
All right, Bucci.
Fantastic of PSG especially. You know what I like this PSG journey. You proof point is some kind of time you don't need superstars to make it team. You get what the PSG get Lionel Messi, get Neymar, get Kylian Mbappe. Everyone say, they go win Champions League. And they falter, not once, not twice. But now, they come bring in a team properly built by the coach. It is very, very important to support the coach. Check your team. That 18-year-old boy, do talk about that well. Pacola, Kvaratskhelia, Dembele step up. The best kind of replacement, I keep telling anybody, is replacing internally. You don't know what the person go feed on to when you get that opportunity. If you rush, go there, spend, you go mess up. Someone need to know the system to understand how it works. And Dembele stepped up when he left. So PSG has been fantastic. I love Inter Milan. Coached by Inzaghi. Inzaghi is one of the most craziest coaches on the timeline. Fantastic. Don't build good team, but just get good feeling. Good feeling. PSG go die for that final. They go die. Those Saudi guys, those guys have invested too. They go die. Luis Enrique too don't get too much experience winning Champions League. PSG. Football, you lose.
This Inter get 100% record for this competition, and the fact in they talk about to replace internally, they don't do some kind. See the guy who score their semi-final equalizer, Francesco Zebbi. Francesco Azebi. I did read about the guy. 2006, 9 starting career. He battled cancer twice.
This money. Let's be
No.
Show your history.
Wait.
Show your history. You read it this morning.
Yesterday, when they played the game, that game against Barca, that guy stood out.
Who go win the 2024-25 UEFA Champions League battle between Inter Milan and PSG? Make una let us know for that comment. And of course, make I also sharply tell you and say, these teams, talking about Inter Milan, don't win 3 times, 1964, 1965, and of recent, 2010. And of course, for PSG,
inside the park, the stadium,
they
and
never
at the stadium where they
Genevieve
do
at all.
the magic against PSG for semi-final.
All right, from that one, we're consigning Inter Milan. But then, what will be your prediction for the final?
PSG, Inter Milan, 3-1, PSG.
Inter Milan, PSG, Inter to win 1-0.
Wow. We're gonna let us know what I think about this particular one. Anyway, from that one, we're concerned UEFA's Champions League finals with a countdown to May 31st. No, also forget, make I use this opportunity. They say you feel can join the Republicans right there for inside Balmoral Hall for inside VI here. All you need to do now to just sharply go www.gofestnigeria.com. Make you register so that you go come join us together. We will watch free. Show free.
Go first this year. It's going to be crazy. I'll be there personally.
All right, from there, but for the semi-finals, we could talk about one particular young man who stand out. Don't play 100 games for Barcelona, and of course, still on the rise at that age. He's just 17 years with a couple of months or days. Make a call and days. We'll be say join follow. But he's talking about Lamine Yamal, and of course, this young man don't stand out even when Messi and Ronaldo did this age. They don't play games rich like this.
Now, him is the definition we call real gem. If you watch this boy play, just watch and play. It's not say what they do with him, what they do with his head. He's too confident. You don't watch him talk before. Like he talks like a very
mature.
Shout out to his parents. Trust me. You know your parents need to train you well, give you that confidence for you to date this bold. It's bold. And I like it when players brag. I like they put in the work. Now this echo they shout, don't brag about your achievement. Brag about your why will not brag about your achievement? They'll tell you be humble. Be humble for what? Humility of broke people. Anybody where they humble is useless. Sorry, I'll say sorry. Anybody where let me make my point. Sorry. Let the Bible talk. That's Bible problem. Like humility is a disease. People want to keep you in a box. Say you go achieve great. They'll say, don't let people talk about you. God punish people talk about me. God punish them. Let me do the work. People want to talk about bad news. If you get a job promotion, go congratulate nobody. So imagine say you get accident. They call, I see your leg don't break. God punish all of them. I like him in Lawal. He's humble. He's not humble. He's proud. That's why I like Cristiano Ronaldo. You know what? How football is hard though. For a 17 years old,
yeah.
Bro, this boy is 17. What was attacking when he was 17? Suing up and down. What was he doing?
I was in school.
In school, doing what? Can you even read? What is he?
So what's it concerning Atta and Lamine Yamal?
No, I'm just saying.
Why not? You're not only 17. Before I got to your age, you know
I got admission at 16 years old. I entered school early.
At 16, I was in the university.
No, university. No, you get smart at university. You obviously have no future ambition. And now you're
at 16, I was in university.
And now you are
at 16.
And now you are 40. What have you achieved at 40 something? What have you achieved? You're not still useless. What have you achieved?
I'm part of the Football Republic team. It's one of the biggest teams. It's one of the biggest teams.
I changed your life and I employed you. I changed your life.
You don't employ me. I have the talent. That's why I employ me.
No, your talent for 13 years to not employ you. I employed you. So let's leave that one. Let's leave that and go to another case. So I mean, Lawal, it's a very... I love that boy. I pray he achieved greatness. But the negative is, at the age of 17, it does not make any sense for you to play 100 games as a young boy. And let me tell you a simple truth. It is going to catch up on him later in his career. It's going to catch up. Look at players like Jack Wilshere.
Yeah.
Aaron Ramsey. So let's do early. So you're playing games too early.
Even Michael Owen.
Too early.
And playing that much game.
Let the age... Make the age.
Enjoy their childhood.
Let it come natural. Let a young boy be a young boy. Let this young boy go outside and womanize and follow. Let him make his mistakes. He's too professional for his age.
You're just saying the boy should come to us now.
No, come and do what?
But then for you, this, Emmanuel, for football now young guys be the in thing now. They see that they buy these young players for a very huge amount of money. And the kind of contract where they give them, the kind of wage where they collect, you feel say, it day too soon. Unlike in the days of Sir Alex Ferguson, back then, where we say, you as a young player, you go learn, your wage go day small. Apart from that one, when others they collect some certain incentive, they collect as a young player. But that particular thing, no day again. For world of football. But we see more of these youngsters. Everyone now, they go for youngsters. Unlike before, you go for 30 years old, 28 years old. Now, they are going for the young ones. You feel say, this one, it go affect them later on for inside
of course, it go affect the club, it go affect the player's career. Because they kill the football culture ordinarily. Because at 17, normally, a player like Yami is supposed to play for the academy side of the football. Maybe the club B. But because even if he exceptional, he go enter the main team. He's not supposed to play.
He's very exceptional.
Yeah, he not go play. When Messi started with Barcelona, at his age, the likes of Deco, Ronaldinho, all of them, what if this guy name Gulli, the full back at that time. So Messi they get
that's nice.
Messi they get 100% record. You know, sorry, they get 100% starts. Even when he break into the Argentine national team, they see the likes of Ricardo Requirement for that middle of the park. You understand? So in they play 100% game.
Yeah.
I remember in first World Cup for Argentina in 2006. You understand? But again, the modern day coaches or the football organizers, they overlook these things, and you know go make this that important ingredient of cherishing these football stars for a long time, no the day again. So that's why you go see a players when Messi and Ronaldo era come out, you go hardly see players who go play football
when these guys
because they will quickly run out.
Ronaldo and Messi. I think Messi played only 9 games, get only 1 goal at this same age.
He gets 6 goals
no
for La Liga.
Assist. He get 100 appearances.
Yes.
You don't play 100 matches. You don't get 22 goals. You don't get 33 assists. Ronaldo himself, I think now 19 in play. We just, how many goals? I think 9 goals and like 4 assists.
Yeah, I mean, Lamar growth, it shows you the level with Barcelona in terms of their squad. Go back to Messi. When Messi did Barcelona times, check the men with the Barcelona. Ronaldinho, Samuel Eto'o, these are players who you know say on a good day, as a 17, you cannot bench them. So you follow the process. At that time, because they get a steady, fantastic team. Come Barcelona this year. Who did their wings? Their wings, they're very, very pros. About Rafinha, who again you won't call? So that's now why space day for Lamine Yamal to enter. Space day crucial.
And he take the opportunity
for him. Not just for also for the national team.
Yeah, it's for the national team, exactly.
So the boy is good. Talent is not the problem. But what we're going to ask right now is consistency.
But don't you think the expectations on this young player?
He'll be fine. But he not go through the normal process.
Because we see Saka here. Saka played consistently for more than 2 years.
But Saka go through the process.
Yes, he went through the process. But we begin to see
under 20 was.
Whether I like him or not,
exhaustion.
Again, for you to be, you have to work extremely hard on your body. Is he going to? Remember, these footballers are stupidly rich. Stupidly rich. If this guy get the mentality of a Cristiano Ronaldo, I'm 100% sure he go play football till in 40s. Put in the work 100%. But him go do him. When there's money, he go see and he go defeat too. But you need extra as a young boy because when you start getting your man strength at 23, 24. Now I see the boy in born never strong. When you start having good sex, that's why you don't get your man strength.
Wow.
So right now, his sex is nonsense. So you need to have.
But then, Emma, you feel say, even though say at this age now, he don't reach some certain level. Not just him. We don't Hendrick too. Where they Real Madrid, they don't reach this certain. You don't feel say consequences go there later on.
He go there now. So the idea is your lifestyle. What do you eat? What do you drink? How you live? How you take care of your personal body. You understand?
That's nice.
Now it go make you stay long for the game where you choose for yourself. You understand? So the coach you guys now, these guys they go feed the discipline. Not to get tattoo or pierce their brain or take pills like Jack Wilshere of England. He started like this, but he entered alcoholic.
He's not alcoholic. He's got a serious injury.
He started to get injury. He was drinking. I go give you. He did drink that fed bone.
Shut up your dick, John.
You understand? He did drink.
So you want to say Jack Wilshere. Now wetin make I be?
That's a lie.
Jack Grealish.
That's a lie.
Wetin make I be like say?
He started drinking at the very.
No, that's a lie.
He started drinking. See, and average English players. Wait.
You are clearly lying.
Ever tell me about?
We don't lie.
See, I'll tell you, English players.
You're lying.
English players. I'm saying it here. English players are drunk. Starting from Paul Gascoigne.
A drunk, we know a drunk.
What's his name? Joko. These are fantastic talent. Even Phil Foden in Man City, at his age, he has like 3 kids. That guy is drinking heavily.
Who tell you?
He's drinking heavily. The Western media covers it up for you. Now the problem that they get with that, we're not going to cover. You guys are ass licking niggas.
If you cover your own drinking, you don't get work. If you cover your drinking, you don't get work. You're a foolish boy now. You're drunkard now.
I did drink.
You can't drink. You have no right to just drunkard.
You understand? That's why I said. That's why I said my statement by saying.
Right.
They look at the career they've chosen for, the sporting career they've chosen for. They say it's not to stay long. It depends on their lifestyle. I stated that.
See Mike.
I'm not talking. I said if they don't stay long, we say Ronaldo is a good example. In as much as Ronaldo get money, get fame, is a traditional man, even in his house. He doesn't allow his kids to drink Coca-Cola.
Let's clear this, please.
Make we look at
we should not get to call drink.
Make we look at the wage.
I watched that match against Coventry.
Na injury. Let them come out. But if they take alcohol now, they affect your bones because you don't stay consistent.
I get it. It's obvious. It's obvious in your bones. So leave it. It's obvious.
I play football now. I play football.
I
play football till Nuga level.
I want to rub this leg.
Go and find out from Kogi State University. 2004 Nuga games.
You're a bob boy. You're a bob boy. Stop lying.
I am going to look at the wages, just like as I tell you, when we first started off this topic. God are the days where we say these young players, they collect small money. You will see around that £2,000, £5,000, while the main players will be say they contribute more to the club, where they already established themselves, they collect more. But then, crazy numbers where these guys they collect these days, even at that young age.
Bro, it's a sport. It's luxurious. Players get paid depending on what they give. Do you know how many number of jerseys they sell? Do you know the number? The numbers go there wide compared to the rest. Do you know the number? How many sponsorship when they bring because of the name? Do you know how fans they can't watch Lamine Yamal? So if you give, you take. And let's remember, football is a luxurious sport. You cannot be a footballer and be broke. That is the truth. Because it's like football is like a school. They don't have freedom, trust me.
Yeah,
like the club operates, the club knows everything about their body. From A to Z.
I watch a documentary on La Masia and believe me, it's not easy.
Your body belongs to the club.
Yes.
And they pay you.
You have to give everything.
They pay you. This club even track they track you where you day, where you know day. Because it's part of the sport. Because if your body spoil, day to day spoil. It's a luxurious sport. And when all these terms and conditions are in the contract, you also pay them well. Can I go to pay me where you control me? No, I don't care. Say you give me $1 million, control me for 1 week. I don't give a damn. So that is football. No, that. What do you mean?
Nobody can control you.
What do you mean? So what I'm trying to make is a luxurious sport. And payments back in the day is not the same. The sport will evolve. Stadiums back in the day are not stadiums like now. Right now we have covering stadiums. Yeah. We have pitches. Jerseys right now are more beautiful, more colored. Fans are learning. Education there everywhere. So things still growing. And when things continue growing, the money gets doubled. Television there right now, you can even stream matches. We just say Premier League now. They might have it, their new thing coming on, might be on Netflix. It's possible. So
now,
access
with
there everywhere.
With the way this guy they go, he go fit exceed either of Ronaldo or Messi because already don't exceed them at their age as when they did the same age with them. Because he has a long way to go.
They told me I feel say they very early.
That's Lamine should ask.
No, the sensible person.
Anybody
fears.
So let me talk. Say the sensible. Let me say the sensible. I feel say the guy. He did very early to be sincere, to judge, to compare, to start to compare them to those greats. These guys rock the stage.
I'm trying not to compare them. I'm talking about at his age now.
At his age. What I'm saying that
he has a long way to go.
What I'm saying is that remember, now consistency now be the thing. And this guy don't rock the footballing stage for over 20 years. You understand? Messi, Ronaldo. No be say when they play, other footballers no do. There was Zlatan, Neymar, Luis Suarez, but they were exceptional. So you go today early and you go there bias for me. I don't know of any other person to say, this guy, if you reach that level, you go break the record. You understand? So it depends on how in management, starting from in parent right now, how they take package how he take dedicate himself to the sport, how he package himself, and what he aim to achieve. Who go be
avoid distractions.
Yes, to avoid distractions, baby mamas, the rest, girlfriend, all those things.
Distracted when they go Euros, that and when they win Euros. That girl will break up with him.
You have to follow. But I'm not gonna lie. For the first time in the history of this podcast, I actually enjoyed what Emmanuel Atta said.
Wow.
And I'm sure it's going to be the last time because he can't do this anymore. he made some very good sense that it's too early. See, no matter who Lamabi, I love him. You don't leave Ronaldo and Messi in a box. Don't put him under that pressure because I'm not trying to insult him in any way. I don't think it's going to. Not insult to him.
He's on his own.
I don't think he's
because we don't see some youngsters like Neymar come before and everybody. Exactly.
You don't even know what will happen tomorrow, talking of next 2 years.
True.
We don't know. But we don't already know what's happening with Messi and Ronaldo. We don't know. We don't not insult him, but we've seen a lot of talented footballers that came. Look at Greenwood. I'm not just saying that he was different Greenwood. Where in they now? Get issue with rapist issue right now, they France. One single situation might destroy the career of a footballer. We don't know.
And talking about Greenwood, I think he get one award where they give for France and they overlook, and probably because of where in they come from.
Whether we like him or not, that's the problem with football. There are some situations that will happen that will dent your career for life. That's the simple truth.
Even after being cleared.
No matter, it get that they go take clear you. Greenwood matter did not go to court. The girl withdrew. That's the difference.
The girl deal with them.
The girl withdrew because of some situation. The girl post some evidence online. If that was not go to court, Greenwood would have been jailed 100%. But because of say they have been together for a long time, and family they tell the girl withdraw. If there's no case to answer, there's no case. The girl withdrew. You can't compare that to Mendy, that was charged heavily, and he went to court and he won in court. There's a big difference than winning in court after a long trial than a case that was withdrew. That's the difference why the stain on Greenwood go still there. Because we are not fool. We saw the evidence. We saw how putting up it's clear, it's online. That's why he cannot play in England. That's the truth. And he went to France where the laws are really not that heavy for him to play there. So that it don't dent his image for life. So Lamine Yamal need to be, trust me, careful. The more money you make, the more girl, imagine me broke and they follow girls up and down. Then imagine when these guys are. I've been with football. I'm not playing. I've been with footballers. Some of these girls, their goals is to follow. And when they want to sabotage them and make money from them, because these guys are filthy rich.
Yeah, they are.
They are effort. See, a footballer playing in Serbia for 1 year. If you make that money, he will not go broke in his life. I'm telling you. Then imagine what they make when they did for 15 years. I went to football. The footballer tell me, say, he get 900 million naira in solid cash that he has not touched. Where this guy they play? I can't even remember where he plays. So we want 900 million in solid cash. This guy is just 21 years old. 21 years old. When the guy told me, I was so angry because look at my life. Why are you bringing up money? Why?
You can't play football again.
No, I'm telling you that
your life, you can never even play football.
It's a rich sport. These guys are. We don't understand how much these guys are rich. We don't understand. These guys are bloody rich.
You feel saying that the more reason why more youngsters, more parents, they allow
facts.
Lamine Yamal.
That is why Nigeria has gone full London.
Of course.
That is why Nigerian men.
I will tell you.
Sorry. That is why Nigerian men go full London. Go check academy from London. Nigerian
A lot of my friends. A lot of my friends,
honest, your friends are
my celebrity friends,
you don't have friends.
Deliberately,
you don't have friends.
Carry their sons go abroad because of football.
Exactly.
I feel
we even see some of our celebrities.
Like Timi Dakolo's son, Alexander.
Peter P Square's son did that.
Brad Chukbosha basketball, his son the Liverpool Academy. Once the picking get football talent, get passion, and okay, you know, say okay, the amount where they pay for school fees, you go they waste it. If you pay that amount, you go give them value there. Over there, because over there almost everything go enjoy free medical there. So you go look and say, okay, you save there, you carry your picking, go there. Bob recommend and picking there this school for. So a lot now like investment for the future. You understand? Now investment, not just football, other games, other sporting games. You understand? I know when somebody daughter they play.
I know Fasuba.
You understand? They pay.
Shala Fasuba. Yeah. Thinking daughter they UK Birmingham.
Yeah. So
in fact, they break records.
They play this volleyball. And she play very well for high school. And a Nigerian guy, they proud of her, they post her. You understand? So now the environment.
It's you know, gone are the days where if you want to be a footballer, your parents will insult you. At that time, they never really see the money with the inside. Yeah. And now when they see ballers, will say, "Oh, you must be a footballer."
But Jovita, the bad thing is the negative effect is that our own locality, our school sports, no go ever rise again because they go to kill them. No investors. The school sport here back home in Nigeria now. You understand? Because everybody there, we don't see how the white they invest in school sports and academy over there. What thing they happen over there?
Invest
nothing.
Invest.
So nothing is done to attract. When was the last time you hear principal score? No.
But that's the problem. See, an average academy right now is not just football. Yeah. They educate them.
School.
Yes. It's not just football.
Not just football, exactly. Right,
they educate them and they give them the option of saying if football doesn't work, you can actually go into So it's not. See,
yeah, but we will not get the environment. We get Ministry of Education. Our Ministry of Education. What did they do for
you? These days, footballers they go universities, they try improve themselves and prepare themselves for life.
After football.
So
all right.
Am I your president?
All right. From that one, make we sharply look at Liverpool. Liverpool will win the title, and of course, what next you they expect next season? Apart from what next they expect next season, which team or teams you feel say get one or two serious work to do on their team for next season?
Liverpool, I expect. Man, I start from what I go expect them next season. No? I go start. What I go expect Liverpool to do next season. They don't win the trophy for the first time since 2001, where they win and last, and they win from their arch rival Man City, where they always pursue them. So people say things like Arsenal go give them problem, but no. So what I go expect them next season? We say continuity. There's no need for you to. The only change here is somebody they come out. It's rumored to say they come out. He never come out officially, but you don't say they come out as a free agent. Alexander-Arnold. Maybe you go look for a better replacement. Put them, continue with this team, build strong chemistry.
Still compact
you understand?
Just
see the same compact team. Maybe
right.
change one or two because everybody's happy. Issue day before say the likes of Virgil van Dijk, they no go renew contract with Musala, but thank God before the season end they give them contract.
So which other team apart from Liverpool you feel say need one or two changes for the next season?
I feel still Nottingham Forest because OTB is their coach name.
Nuno Espirito Santo.
The guy don't do an amazing job with that particular team. So I feel at the beginning of the next season, if they could do a lot of work like sign quality players inside that Nottingham Forest, players who are ready to win, who get Premiership experience, like Labat talk earlier on, I hate to borrow words. He said it dey better to replace internally. You no need to go bring players from other players where don't do that league. Where you know what it means to win Premiership. You understand? Okay. And now wetin are the best for Arsenal be that sometimes you go see some players they waste for that league. They don't go buy them. Come somebody like wetin be this guy Philip Mateta. Imagine say that guy when Arsenal get number 9 issue.
Arsenal material, no worry.
No worry now. As you know the Arsenal material, now Arsenal will leak so now. So they go deal. So you go bring players who are, so you go bring players where you're ready to Nottingham Forest. If you I feel say Nottingham Forest go be like they go be like Man City next season.
Abuchi, this 2024-25 season, we don't see a lot of surprises, especially for the top 6 as far as they're concerned. We don't see teams like Nottingham Forest come from nowhere. We don't see Newcastle United. We don't, at a point, we even see Aston Villa. But then, these surprises where we say we see this season, you feel say these people will become constant feature for the top 6 come next season?
Jovita, number one, thank you so much for that question. God bless you. But Jovita, I don't care. Jovita, I've been expecting surprise for the past 3 years. I don't get any. So I don't care who comes in and do well. I don't care who do. I don't really. The Premier League, I don't care. I don't get expectation right now. I'm an Arsenal fan, Jovita. So I don't get expectation whatsoever. Surprise is nothing. So I really, sorry. That's why I said, thank you for your question. But Jovita, I'm not going to answer because I really don't care. Surprise yourself. Surprise your father. Why are you surprising me? I really don't care, Jovita. Thank you. That's all.
That is coming from a man who has who is heartless.
I don't care.
You know, so they don't break your heart, you don't get hurt again.
No, I don't get it.
He has been heartless for a
No
long time.
expectation for next season.
Anybody.
Not even on Arsenal.
I don't care if you listen to come. That's the worst. That anything Arsenal can do with their life, I wish them the best of luck.
So you feel say Arsenal as it is because
when you are not going to force me to analyze Arsenal. I don't analyze Arsenal. Don't force me, please.
I'll have to force you to analyze Arsenal. Now, Arsenal, a lot of people they talk say Arsenal no get bench. They only get that first 11 for field, nobody for bench.
No, Arsenal get bench. They get bench. But then get the right players for the right bench. That's the cocoa. That's the cocoa. If Saka got injured, Saka can be replayed this week. One day he can come in and do the job for the meantime. If Odegaard gets injured, who replaces Fabio Vieira? He went out on loan. Your striker will not be a striker. If Kai Havertz get injured, who replaces him? So they don't get bench for the right places. Like, it's a good example. Gabriel Magalhaes got injured. Kirill came in and is doing a fantastic job. Timber out, White can enter. This left back, we don't even expect Luis Kelly to do it. We don't expect them.
Yeah.
But he came in after Calafiori get injury and he came in and Arsenal get bench. But he don't get bench for the right and crucial time, especially for a striker. That's the cocoa. Arsenal have a very good squad. Look at their wingers. Martinelli, Trossard, Saka, Gabriel also is there. They forget them some kind of time.
Because they always get injury now.
Look at their midfield. Arsenal have a Thomas Partey with Jorginho, Declan Rice, Odegaard. Their defense, one of the best in the league. Saliba, Kyrgios, Gabriel, Tomiyasu. We never want to do this season. Ben White, Zinchenko, Tierney. So they have a very good squad, but now the crucial time, because there's a time it gets to where important big player personality have to show. Arsenal don't get a lot of big injury issues. This a lot. But who's coming to replace them? They have to use a Merino as a top 9. That's how bad he was. But you know, the top 9 for in life. And he came in, he has scored like 7 goals. A Merino. Imagine if you have a typical 9.
Exactly.
If a DM that has never played the top 9 in his life can be doing so well at Arsenal, then imagine when you have it. They know these problems. But I don't know why they don't fix it. It's clear to the blind that Arsenal need a striker. It's been clear for a long time. And you bring the Kai Havertz, you paid good money for him. On your thought, you want to play as they brought the Kai Havertz to replace Granit Xhaka in case you don't know. Playing midfield for some time. And now you did this to me. I don't want to talk about Arsenal. You forcing me.
Mo, look at
I have no
Haaland.
plans. Don't get me
Haaland,
angry.
after the kind of season where Man City currently they experience right now, for your mind, Haaland now one season wonder, because this season, even though say he scored double figure as far as the game they concerned, can't be like say he struggle. You feel say that struggle now a team struggle, or you feel say him in particular struggled on his own?
Now a team to struggle, because when he come that first time, they live and face. So everybody they already understood them. So you know if you do them back to back, this is not England. You understand? So you know go can't do the collect. You understand? So Manchester City as a club, they struggle. You know, at a point they lose 9 matches straight without a win one time. So you go say, wetin they affect the eye, they affect the nose too. So and next season they around the corner. You understand? So I feel say the guy said go don try. He go need to work hard, improve on his game as a number 9 for Manchester City, because you gonna say you know go be business as usual before. He's a good player, fantastic player, but you know go to get those figures easily. As in get them that
cast.
No be saying no cast now. People don't check out Arsenal defense. They like so William Saliba. When Arsenal meets Man City this season, he played now, beat them home and away, and he did inside the field. It means say the synergy between Gabriel Magalhaes and William Saliba, they work well against a player like Haaland, and he work well. So you don't always be business as usual.
There's a reason why the greatest of men says strikers win you games, defense win you titles. There's a big difference. You have to be a madman to come and say Haaland is a one season wonder. You have to be a concrete. In fact, they should lock you up in Yaba left. Master struggle had nothing to do with Haaland. Was he not scoring goals? He was scoring goals. But a striker cannot be the pillar of any team.
True. The
pillar starts from the defense. It's key. Man City defensively are useless. And who was that person? You call the pillar. Rodri. Haaland is so important in scoring goals. So important. But if the defense is doing its job, then the attack will not struggle. And let's be serious. Every football club in this world, sometimes you cannot explain it. They get their ups and they get their down. You cannot just explain it. It's facts. Go and check the best of clubs. Look at the Real Madrid. When you are spending, gather the Galacticos. That one was their worst era. You can't even explain what's wrong. But it's nature. Look at Chelsea for a long time. When they won the champions, nobody has been to win champions when they win Champions League. So you cannot really explain. Nobody will be at the top for a long time. But at least if you are not at the top, at least they top 3 or they top 5. Don't go down totally.
Okay.
Keep competing.
Now when you mention top 5, which team or teams need to buy next season?
Don't be about buy
in order to be title contenders.
The club don't need to buy, need to sell at Chelsea. The most useless club in the history of clubs. I'm not saying. Because their club is like a poultry, chickens. You know how many players Chelsea get out on loan?
They're plenty.
They're very confused. I'm not beating out the corner when Chelsea is actually the most useless round club in the world. The most useless. The only thing they get right is their wage cap. Apart from that, they're so useless. You have to go and check the Chelsea squad and see players that are not supposed to be there. That stupid club had to let Charles Obama go and brought him back. They have a puppet as a coach for that Christmas very short. So it's they don't have to sell. They don't have to buy. They have to sell to make their squad compact. The club that need to buy players and buy. Look at where is Manchester United. For me, Because they have a team of bank average useless players. Man U player cannot start at Ikorodu City. I'll beat myself at some of them. Haaland cannot start at Ikorodu City. Haaland, no insult to him, he's talented. He knows what Ikorodu City. I can beat my chest. The only player that can stand up in that squad is Bruno Fernandes.
I'm talking about
Onana cannot start in my village. Onana knows that Umuago in my village, Abia State. He cannot start in my village team. So they have a lot of.
Talking about Fernandes, we don't hear say some Saudi clubs don't they circle more, they bring in more money.
Let me tell you about Saudis. If the Saudis are not interested in you, you are useless. The Saudis go for the best talent because they have the money to sponsor it. Interest day for like a long time.
But this is one player we don't stand out for Man
No,
United.
he's not living. Man, you would die. He's living what? Amori will kill himself. You can't sell Bruno Fernandes.
It depends on the player.
He's not living, no. He's not living, no.
No,
he's not living. Man, you will give him what he wants. He's 30 years old.
See, Laba.
Give him a bumpy.
Jovita.
He has time. 32. Go to school. He's not living. Trust me. He's not
Jovita.
living.
Footballers are business people.
He's
Their
not
jobs
living.
are temporary. So if money
What
answers
if
the
he
world.
lives? But he's finished.
That's it. He's not living.
Man, you cannot be finished.
He's not living.
Yes,
He doesn't
Man
have
cannot
to
be
go
finished.
That's their best player this season.
Yes,
He's not
Man, you
living.
cannot be
He's not
finished.
living.
Wow.
The problem with Man U is has gone beyond best players.
Wow.
Because we don't see players who come up for Man United, they do well for other clubs. So it's not just player. You understand? I will borrow somebody who work
So
for this company.
what you're saying is
If that's in our course,
you they counter with
You know,
Buchi, they talk,
the-
say the
yes.
players are good. It is not the players.
it's not the players.
They're not the problem.
I think it's
Wahoo.
the management, the kind of coaches that come. Because if you name one player where come out for Man U,
I'm already saying like
you understand? Name one player where come
coach.
out for Man U where no good now.
But
From
actually, to
you
be
know,
fair,
from
these,
Chris.
these guys are actually doing very
Yes,
well. They do well outside.
from what's his name? The guy in Olympic Marseille now.
Anthony, the one in Betis,
No, the one in Olympic
Marseille.
Messi
Messi.
Greenwood get
He was
issue.
sold.
You understand? He was sold to. He did well. Went back. Anthony, you say you know good. He went to
McTominay,
McTominay is doing very well.
Rashford.
Marcus Rashford is doing so well in Aston
Anthony is
Villa.
doing well, yes.
What's his name in this guy in Chelsea?
Sancho.
is doing fantastic work. So it in this thing not be player. I feel say you know that part where Bible talks say woe unto them. People they don't woe unto Man U. Man U they carry curses in the past. Now they carry. Look at them now in Europa.
So,
They get 100%
Man U are
record.
the only team we need to
Not the only team.
reinforce.
All teams, but they need more reinforcements.
Man U problem na spiritual. They need to go to Agama Lizard, Agama River. Go watch themselves. Not the players now. No, this guy they talk to them. If you gather Ronaldo, Messi, come to Man United, you go still be like this.
I'm not going to agree with him for these specific reasons. Players deliver at different clubs. Let me tell you, there's a huge difference playing for a Manchester United and playing for a Real Betis. Don't insult to them. There's a huge difference.
True.
He comes with the pressure. There are some players that are not meant to play for big clubs. That is the truth. Because they cannot handle it mentally.
Just like some coaches as
especially
well.
with the pressure of England. See, let me tell you, England is one of the worst leagues to deliver. But if you fix your head mentally, if you just close down the media noise, you will do so well. But it's not easy because people talk every time. I wonder how footballers go through when they go to their phone and somebody that have not played ball in his life is calling them whack. A fat man is calling them whack. I don't know what they go through. It's hard. So some of these players, a McTominay, no insult to him. I believe he's not really Manchester United level. No insult to him. He's Napoli level.
But at a point, he was actually scoring some
He was
vital
good.
goals.
But
for Man United.
I'm talking about consistency.
No be saying
Right now,
no be
Napoli-
saying a bad
He
player.
didn't score well
You
that
understand?
time, yeah.
When they talk about the players involved in United,
Can I make my point?
you understand?
McTominay right now-
United na institution.
He has
You
gone back.
understand? So you not go fit bring someone like Labas, a footballer, you not go survive.
If I don't slap you,
I don't want to get for
If you
30.
interrupt me
Access
next
my
time,
eye,
I'll
they
slap
go.
you.
The problem with Manchester United no be quality of players, because if you bring the best players, they go soon get the same issue. I think the thing will start from management issue. That's why I said they're going to need to go first of all before the season starts. If they go
I'm
there
not
among
talking
the
too much on this podcast. Can we just end this podcast?
if they go there among the top 4-5 next season, make the try do the needful.
All right.
Get the best coach, get the best management.
So
Where is
Man United are the only team we need to reinforce.
They need serious from
All
the
right,
management
from that
to the
one,
owners.
make we just touch briefly on this awesome guy talking about Harry Kane. Finally, he don't break the jinx. Finally, he don't win trophy.
Harry
It
Kane
take
can
him many years,
You can make
many goals, and a totally different league. In fact, the first season, you don't win anything. But the second season, finally.
And the Kane case is not what you go 55 or explain. Just be like say, man, They with other women, they give the woman belly. Once you call the woman, where they normally fertile, no can give her belly. Like also what's happening? So Harry Kane was one of the top 3 best strikers in the world for close to like 6-7 years.
Yeah.
Tottenham was score goals. Right now, Bayern Munich did so well. Goals is not a problem. I can't go a Bayern. That's now when the cost confirm.
Was even their top scorer.
Yes, the league. Yeah. Now when the cost confirm, say this guy Bayern Munich, you give him bad luck. So I've never really been happy for a footballer because Harry Kane actually is a great guy.
Yeah, he is.
Respectful, they chill, they respect himself.
Humble.
He's a great guy. So you can't actually hate on a great person.
Yeah.
So sincerely, I think football fans, I think it's when post, he got close to like 101 retweets, close to like 50 million impressions. Yeah. It shows you how much people have been waiting for this time.
Him, yes.
So I wish him, I just hope this is the first time. I want him to win more times. He deserves it. He does. He does.
All right, from that one, Moke, we go back to another. You get anything to talk on Harry Kane?
No.
Okay.
No.
Final one before we wrap up the podcast got to do with Arsene Wenger, former Arsenal manager. He don't come out to talk, say, Manchester United and Tottenham Hotspur say they're supposed to strip them. No matter who win that Europa League, say they're supposed to strip them, say they're not supposed to win now. And you don't talk, say then go revisit that Europa League and UEFA rules to take change them. Say how person will come 15th and 16th for league, go win Europa League, come qualify for Champions League.
Is that an insult?
See,
because the only team we don't even try win the Europa League, but then they 12th for league, for their league for inside Spain when they win at Sevilla.
See, Jovita, Arsene Wenger no be every
Man Utd draw money. Ojuse Mourinho.
Arsene Wenger no be Arsene Wenger. Let me know, say no be every old man get sense.
You are very stupid for
you
that.
Understand? I'm not saying
in your village.
Wait.
There is no man in your village, whether go there alive or dead, that is not Arsene Wenger.
I not say you go support Arsene
No,
Wenger.
don't say that.
The only good thing where Arsene Wenger do for football for Arsenal, now say because it brings in a lot of money.
You will lose your job.
You understand? But for this statement that you talk for a competition where somebody play, you know, say you get somebody will say
you are fired.
I will not see for Champions League.
Fired.
Have you never seen for Champions League say somebody for Champions League somebody no win, you know, the top 4.
Zita,
but he plays Champions League reach.
Please, I want
enter final.
Please.
He enter Champions League, enter final. He win. You understand? And he no qualify. What do you do to such person? He win Champions League. Wait now. Yes, not the rules of the game. That is the rules of the game.
Thank you.
That is the rules of the game. So if you win Europa, say because you just 16 or 15 for table, I can't. This my right to contract on the call matter say may they strip me off. Why? Because I did 15 or 16 for the table. Hold on. No. Let me finish.
Oh yeah, no.
If the team is going on relegation, you are making a case for them. But not be 18 that they go on relegation. They on the table. They 15, 16. You say they're not qualified to come Champions League. For a competition, they get 100%. In case you don't know, Manchester United they get 100% record for Europa this season. They never lose any match. They never lose match. Draw now, only one draw now they don't get, and now they don't enter final, and they get opportunity to win the Europa League to come inside Champions League because you be former football legend and member of FIFA. You come to, and you think your opinion counts.
Put respect to that man's name. Wait. That man change football.
That's what I say. I know. I give him respect. I say he changed football. He changed especially Arsenal. He changed the dynamic of Arsenal. In fact, I respect us. You know, I respect Arsene Wenger. He brought in a player. Wait. No, I respect her for football. Not be your opinion. No, I'm not taking your. In your opinion. I'm not fit take him. You don't go first to take your opinion. When the top one are the one I look me. Because wait, why are they look at because if they are Arsene Wenger.
All right.
Now see finish now.
I go ahead, but you.
Wait, no, because if let me talk. Wait.
No, is it done?
If you give me 2 minutes,
No,
give me 2 minutes.
No.
I dey respect him. Wait. I respected him
2 seconds.
in terms of his contribution to football development, especially Premier League. How he bring marketing and media
Not
to
just
Arsenal.
that. He changed
some of the rules.
Sports science somehow.
Sports science.
Nutrition.
And also he
dietitian.
believed in talent. I remember when he signed Patrick Vieira from French League. Patrick Vieira first 4 matches with Arsenal color and red card, first game red card. They asked him for press conference. Why they start this guy? He said, "Don't worry, he ain't believe in this guy. When this guy come up, you go be one of the best talent in Premier League." And truly, Patrick Vieira growth can be a leader of Arsenal. So I respect that. But say in rule to tell you say if you win for a team where no relegate, maybe no Champions League. I'm not bad the idea. It's not to me, it's not wise.
They work with FIFA.
So, if they work with FIFA, in opinion, you know, they can't. Okay, I am not comfortable with opinion. Emmanuel Atta, excuse me.
All right.
Jovita, I am not comfortable with his opinion. I'm not comfortable. It's my opinion.
I did not interrupt. Please don't interrupt me when I'm talking.
You're attacking me. You're attacking me.
I know you're fired. There's a reason why old men no get sense. Okay, I can tell you
that was a big,
There's a reason
I said some.
At this age, as a Wenger de FIFA, why your father is security man? There's a reason. You're passing out as a Wenger.
I'm a father.
Obviously, your father is 90 years old. You are 40. So when your papa you are 30 years old.
My father born me at 26.
There's a reason why your father is a security man and in your village, and as a Wenger is in FIFA.
My father is a retired naval commodore.
Look at the point.
One-star general.
And what's there? And you heard you representing and disgracing him. Imagine your father here this. Your father will disown you.
He cannot. Now my opinion I talk. I don't fear as a Wenger now. How can he say they go revisit?
You have a family. You are disowned already. So my point is simple.
See, they fear man, person opinion.
It's not fear. It's respect.
It's respect.
If you analyze
yes,
it,
now.
Wait, let's calm down.
I don't buy the idea.
Analyze what you didn't talk. In talk, say it is unfair for a club to play 38 games to qualify and a club to play 6 or 7 games and go and win and go to the Champions League. So it's supposed to be, say, if you win Europa League, you qualify. But for the same competition, not upgrade. That is what he said. And if you look at it, it's kind of valid. Because if Man you qualify at a team, we don't give you over 38 games, he come down. Don't you know this? So team we don't give their life, he come down. Why you will play how many games? No, it's not fair. Look, Man you now. Intentionally,
that is why it is competition. Normally, they played competition.
They played. Let me make my point. Please.
It's not
you
fair.
have said too much nonsense. Don't interrupt me, please.
No, you're even saying you didn't join the nonsense.
Don't interrupt me.
You see, that's why it's competition.
I will blow you this time. I will blow your eye. I will blow your glasses.
Emmanuel, let him speak. Now your own opinion now in the air.
Are you hungry?
Oh yeah.
Please go to canteen and eat later. I'll feed you. That's what I do every day for you. So I'll change your life. I'll change your life for the good. So my point is simple. As Wenger has, if anybody, he has the right because he has earned it to say this. And let me tell you something. He has been on people's mind for a long time. Imagine right now, and Aston Villa, Chelsea thinking that, oh, Emmanuel, if you come down, when you have, do you know what it means to play 38 games in a year? And the team it doesn't really make any sense for me because it's not on merit. It is not on merit. If let's say you go school, study for 4 or 5 years, carry first class, why person? Study for 6 months, carry first class. That's the difference. What the person work, make it end what he work. That's what he's trying to say. And I'm telling you for a fact, to show you how useless he is. Because he's in a position of power. He can actually do it. I want to do it here. Hopefully you are sacked. But I'll do a video and dedicate to you that he has done it.
See. This is competition. You can't say it's unfair. Man United or Tottenham Hotspur, if they end up winning the Europa, they get every right to play the Europa because it's the rules of the game. It's competition. They don't sleep at the comfort zone of their local league. Remember, they struggle for their local league. They face and they meet every criteria for the Europa League and they qualify. So why you go change that for them? Because they did 15, 16 for the
angle of Emmanuel.
I don't understand.
I will never do it.
UEFA. Now make that rule. Whoever wins UEFA Champions League, the Europa League, automatically qualifies.
See, some rules are there. I'm not saying I'm against the rule. I'm just trying to use common sense that a lot of people don't have. Trying to use common sense. On a good day, I don't care. I don't care. Because that rules have been there for a long time. But there's a reason why UEFA /commission and start doing Super League format.
Yeah.
There's a reason.
Yes.
Was it broken? It wasn't broken. Things change. There's a reason why football keep evolving with new rules up and down. That rule has not really gained or give those that have earned it their chance. I'm talking about earning. I believe in earning. I'm not like somebody that is 40 years old and earned nothing in his life. I'm not like that. Because I earn everything I've earned in this life. I didn't call any name. Because if you don't go through the process, you will not understand. Once you have been through the process of earning of working hard and earning it, there's no way you come and say against this. It's except when you pay and grow. You bribe all your life. You bribe in school to pass. You bribe to toast 2 men. You bribe to knock. You bribe to do everything. This guy, There's nothing else he does. So his life is finished. So that's the reason why he's doing all this.
Good.
So that's it. So that's
The
it.
rules, see, competition is competition everywhere, Jovita. And I don't debate this idea. Now you said the rules. Rules are meant for humans, by humans.
But
You not go
rules are
shoot
meant to be
away.
broken as well.
Yeah, but you know go they broken at somebody's time. As I always talk this thing, I am not an advocate of any football club, but a Manchester United is an institution. If they
We have
deserve
talked-
to
I've not talked
be
too
in
much.
Champions League, they earn it.
All right, my
Don't come and
people,
change the rules in
I
our
don't
own
hear
time.
am for football Mede podcast. Plenty kasala for inside house. You self fit. Shook mouth put, and of course, make we hear from you as well. Don't forget to hit that notification button. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course, till we come on our way again next time. My name is Najovita AK. Wonderful, thank you to Onokalo Buchi, and of course, Emmanuel
Watch
Atta.
podcast.
No be smart.
He said they go feed me. You go feed me.
And God bless.
Watch
Don't forget.
podcast. Go feed
me,
Don't
oh.
forget. Go
I've done
first.
before,
Go
I've
first.
been
You go feed.
Go and
no, go
register.
change am, let's go. Go and feed me.
www.gofirstnigeria.com.
See, tell everyone say they
So
feed
all
me.
of
Let's
us
go, so
go
go and
follow
feed me.
You have
watch
no
the
shame.
UEFA Champions
I am
League final
shameless, oh.
And you have
between
no pride.
Inter Milan and PSG. We go soon, right there. Una do.